I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Audi A3 from the 8V generation, produced between 2012 and 2020. This compact premium hatchback has won hearts across the United Kingdom for its sleek design, refined interior, and sporty driving dynamics. However, like many Audis, it comes with a mix of strengths and weaknesses that every potential buyer should know. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems. As promised, turbo wastegate failures top the list for many owners, especially in the petrol models with the 1.4 or 1.8 TFSI engines. These issues often manifest as a loss of power, strange rattling noises, or the dreaded check engine light, typically occurring after around 80,000 kilometers. The wastegate actuator can stick or fail due to wear, leading to overboost or underboost conditions that affect performance. Repair costs in the UK can range from £300 to £600 at an independent garage, but dealership fixes might push that to £800 or more. On the bright side, once fixed, the turbocharged engines deliver punchy acceleration and decent fuel efficiency, averaging around 6 litres per 100 kilometers on the motorway. Water pump leaks are another widespread headache for this A3 model. The plastic housing on the water pump tends to crack or warp over time, causing coolant to seep out and potentially leading to overheating. Owners report this happening as early as 60,000 kilometers, with symptoms like a sweet smell from the engine bay or low coolant warnings. Replacing the water pump is not overly complex, but it often requires draining the system and can cost between £250 and £400, including parts and labor. Audi did improve the design in later years, but early models are more prone to this. Despite this flaw, the A3's cooling system generally supports reliable long-distance drives, making it a solid choice for UK commuters. Moving on, the DSG automatic gearbox in many A3 variants has its share of troubles. Clutch packs can wear prematurely, leading to juddering during gear changes or even complete failure in high-mileage examples. This is particularly common in the 2-litre diesel models, where owners might notice hesitation or slipping after 100,000 kilometers. A full gearbox overhaul can set you back £1,500 to £2,500, though software updates sometimes mitigate minor issues. That said, when functioning well, the DSG provides smooth shifts and enhances the car's sporty feel, especially on twisty British B roads. Oil consumption is a notable concern in the TFSI petrol engines. Some units burn through oil at a rate of up to 1 litre every 2,000 kilometers, which can lead to engine damage if not monitored. This stems from piston ring design flaws in earlier engines, prompting Audi to issue recalls for certain batches. Topping up oil regularly becomes a routine for affected owners, but it is a cheap fix compared to a full engine rebuild, which could exceed £3,000. Positively, these engines are responsive and fun to drive, offering a blend of power and efficiency that rivals competitors like the Volkswagen Golf. Timing chain tensioner failures plague the diesel variants, especially the 2-litre TDI. The tensioner can lose pressure, causing the chain to slacken and potentially jump, which risks severe engine damage. Symptoms include a rattling noise on startup, often appearing after 90,000 kilometers. Repairs involve replacing the chain and tensioner, costing around £800 to £1,200 at a specialist. However, the TDI engines shine in fuel economy, sipping just 5 litres per 100 kilometers on average, ideal for long hauls across the UK. Electrical glitches are not uncommon in this tech-laden A3. Faulty sensors in the infotainment system or adaptive headlights can cause random warnings or failures, frustrating owners. These issues might stem from wiring harness wear or software bugs, popping up after 70,000 kilometers. Fixing them often requires diagnostic scans at about £100, plus parts that could add another £200. On the upside, the MMI system is intuitive and feature-rich, providing Apple CarPlay integration in later models for seamless connectivity. Suspension components, like the front control arms and bushings, wear out faster than expected on UK roads. Potholes and speed bumps accelerate this, leading to knocks or uneven tyre wear after 50,000 kilometers. Replacement bushings cost around £150 per side, but labor can double that. Yet, the A3's multi-link rear suspension delivers excellent handling and ride comfort, making it more engaging than a standard family hatchback. This balance of agility and refinement is a big draw for driving enthusiasts. Brake wear is another area to watch, with pads and discs needing replacement every 40,000 kilometers in urban driving. The system is effective, but aggressive stop-start traffic in cities like London hastens degradation. Costs for a full set of brakes hover around £400 fitted. Fortunately, the A3's braking performance is sharp and confidence-inspiring, contributing to its 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. This makes it a safe bet for families navigating busy UK motorways. Interior quality holds up well, but some plastics and trims can creak or fade over time. Leather seats in higher trims resist wear, but cloth options might show stains from daily use. Overall, the cabin feels premium, with soft-touch materials that outclass rivals. Fuel system issues, like high-pressure pump failures in petrol models, occasionally crop up. This can cause starting problems or rough idling, often after 100,000 kilometers. Repairs might cost £500, but the engine's efficiency keeps running costs low. Exhaust gas recirculation valve clogging affects diesels, leading to reduced power and increased emissions. Cleaning or replacing it runs about £300. Still, these powertrains comply with UK emission standards, avoiding hefty fines. Bodywork corrosion is rare, thanks to Audi's galvanization, but wheel arches can rust if not maintained. Paint quality is durable, holding up against British weather. The aerodynamic design also aids in low wind noise at speed. Now for the positives that make the A3 appealing despite its flaws. It offers a range of efficient engines, from the frugal 1.6 TDI to the potent S3 variant, with used prices starting at around £8,000 for a 2015 model with 80,000 kilometers. The Quattro all-wheel drive option provides excellent grip on wet UK roads, enhancing safety and fun. Build quality is generally high, with a solid chassis that minimizes road noise and vibrations. Tech features like virtual cockpit in later years add a modern edge, and the boot space of 380 litres suits small families or urban dwellers. In conclusion, the Audi A3 8V is a premium compact car that suits discerning drivers who value style, performance and technology over absolute reliability. It would be ideal for young professionals commuting in cities like Manchester or Edinburgh, where its agile handling shines, or for small families needing a versatile hatchback with a touch of luxury. However, if you prioritize low maintenance costs, consider a Japanese rival instead, as this Audi demands regular servicing to avoid costly surprises. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.